Shiver me cheddars, what a day! I need to sit down.
What happened to you?
Well, I was over at Barbie's Cafe watching the Great Slime Bake-Off, and we felt inspired to bake a cake, you know!
Oh, I get that. Why do you think I'm reading this?
Well, one thing led to another, and I don't even know how that happened. Well, the fire department got called. Oh, my Timmy Dabo, what have I done?
Oh, everything's ruined. What am I gonna do now?
Anyway, long story short, Barbie needs a new cafe.
Oh my, we need to help Barbie. And I have just the thing. Come on, we've got work to do.
Sue, you're the best!
I was thinking we could make a mini cafe for Barbie. Are you okay, Sam?
Achoo! All the smoke made my allergies worse. But I'll be okay, I promise.
That's the spirit. Hey, I think we can use these tissue boxes. We'll stick them together and they'll make a great container for all the yummy cakes Barbie can make. But we also need a display case. What can we use?
Look, Sue, I'm a doll!
This is just what we need. It's perfect. But we need to cut it.
Step aside, Sue. Leave it to a professional.
Sam, can we speed things up? We've got a lot of work to do.
I thought this would look pretty cool, but okay, I guess you're right. Take that!
Oh, that sounded like it hurt.
It's under control, Sue. Trust me. I'm okay. I just need a minute.
Oh, poor thing. This is amazing. You did a great job, Sammy.
Don't mention it. It would have been a lot easier if I actually knew karate.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Oh, Sue, let me take a break.
There, we've made our display cases. Looking good, huh?
I like it, Sue, but it's a little crazy. We're missing something.
That's right. We need walls.
And we can't have a craft without a little construction. Bring it on, boys. Come on, come on, come on, move. Go, go, go. A little more. Stop, 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 stop. Dump it here.
I thought we could use cardboard.
Huh? What? Speak up, Sue. It's too noisy. We're at the construction site after all. Hey, what are you doing?
Never mind, Sammy. I'll use this pink paper. This seems like a good spot for it.
While it's finished, Sue. Wait, I'm trapped. I'm gonna have to bash my way out.
Whoa, take it easy. Maybe I can help.
Thanks, Sue. You saved me. Oh, those walls look much better than my Lego idea. But I know how to make them even better. Wait right here, Sue. I need to raid my art supply stash.
No problem, Sam. In the meantime, I'll add another wall.
And I thought we could have bunting. Boing, boing, boing.
Maybe I'd better do this part, huh? And there you go.
Snip here, I cut there. Oh, yeah, I'm in the zone. Check this out, Sue.
And what's next?
Honestly, I have no idea. Try throwing them against the wall, maybe? That's much better.
Now we need to join these together. Huh. And I perfectly know how we'll do that. Let's make them nice and secure. We don't want any more cafe accidents.
Yeah, I've seen enough of the fire department today. And you friends, remember to be careful with the glue gun.
That looks great. Now we can hang it on the wall. It really adds some extra cuteness.
Whoa, it looks great! But we can't stop at that, so stay tuned, folks!
Okay, what should be the next step?
Leave it to me! I'm working on a new idea. We need more places to put tasty treats.
Wow, I can't wait to see it.
Take a look. I think you'll be impressed.
Oh, I thought it would be a blueprint or something. But I can work with this. Let's use some cardboard.
While you're cutting it, I can help. Now, where was that? Found it! We can use this and the glue gun to decorate everything.
I like your thinking, Sam. Okay, let's do it. All done.
I'll make a wooden frame for the shelves. Give me just a sec. It'll give that rustic feel, you know.
Great idea. And I will put them together.
And let's add these to the shelf, Sue.
Wow, you really have an eye for a design, Sammy. This will hold a lot of cakes. Oh, I'm getting hungry.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. Time for a snack attack! I'll be right back, Sue.
These walls look bare. We need something cake-themed.
I'm looking forward to this.
Where did you get that?
I read at Roger's secret cupcake supply. He hides them in a drawer in the living room.
Well, of course. That's just what we need.
Say what? This cupcake is mine. Go rate Roger's supply if you want one, because I'm not sharing.
I don't want an actual cupcake, Sammy. Well, maybe just a bite, but we can use it to make wall art.
Sorry, Raj, but I need more. You'll never know it was me.
I have a bad feeling about this. Let's also make a cupcake logo for the wall. Sam's taking a while. I hope he's okay back there.
All right. Nice and easy. Easy does it. No sudden movements. Whoa! Going down! Whoa! That hurts. But I'm so close to the delicious cake. Goodness, nothing can stop me now. Oh, my precious. Oh, busted! I better get out of here. Oh, no!
Whoa, did you hear that? Anyway, every cupcake needs some frosting. Great, but I think I can make this even better. Let me try something. This will help add some details to it. Just like this. It looks like the real thing, huh? Huh? What's that noise?
Oh, hello, Sue. Wow, looking good.
What happened?
It's not important, but if Roger asks, I was here the whole time, okay? Oh, wow, did you make that? Oh, it's a work of art.
Now we can start decorating the rest of the room.
We're gonna need cakes, too. I'll place an order. Hello? I want some of your yummiest mini cakes right now. Talk about express delivery, huh? What? Can I help you? Huh?
Uh-huh.
No, I get it. You want an autograph. Give me a second. Thank you. It's ready. You're gonna love it. Always happy to meet my fans. I'm a real star. Oh, right, the cakes.
Whoa, there's so many. And they all look so yummy, too.
We'll also need plates to serve all the cakes on, right?
Right, and these are perfect.
Oh, Sue, we forgot about the general counter decor.
Well spotted. We better make something fast.
I'm on it. We can use this as our signature decoration.
I knew I could count on you.
Here's another one, Sue. Come on, take it. Anyone asks, I was busy all day and have never, ever been near Roger's room. That's right. Yay.
Okay, Sammy. And we did it. We made a new cafe for Barbie. Yay!
It was a lot easier than I thought. In fact, it was a piece of cake. Barbie locked her new cafe. She can't wait to start baking lots of cakes.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear this. Although I thought she might ask you to help her with that.
Oh no, my cake making days are over. The bar department has given an official warning. Yeah, so I'm out.
Aw, that's a shame. And to cheer you up, I got you a cake from Barbie's cafe.
I can't believe you did this, Sue. Hey!
Sammy, wait. We need to say goodbye to our friends here.
Right. See you next time, beautiful people. Remember, we love you. Bye.
Thanks for being with us, friends. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye!